Let's get this thing rolling. Let's get this thing rolling. How you doing, everybody? Hey, how's it going? Cheers. Nice to see y'all. I'm going to review a beer. I'm going to review a home brew. Well, look at this. It's Sunday, October 1st, 2017, and now I'm going to finally try one of my own homemade beers. My homemade beers. Something I haven't done in a while. Yeah, but this is just a simple kit. It's nothing really special or anything like that. It's just a an extract kit, and it's a Cooper's Sparkling Ale with some dextrose, quite a bit of dextrose added. That's probably going to thin it out on me. I shouldn't have put so much dextrose. And I got that put. I also put some dry malt extract in it and some light liquid malt extract in this beer as well. I let it ferment for 14 days. And then bottled it, and it's been bottle conditioning for an additional 14 days. So here we are, almost a month later, 28 days later, 4 weeks. I'm gonna give it a try now. I don't have high hopes. I'm not expecting it to be anything amazing, but we'll see. We'll give it a go, and we'll see. Yeah. So may as well give it a try, right? Let's go ahead and power it up. See if we get a little bit of carbonation on this thing. There we go. It's probably just gonna go. Oh well, let's see. Oh, there's a little bit of a toot. It was just stuck. I wasn't expecting very much carbonation because I only used about maybe a third of a teaspoon of sugar for bottle conditioning. So probably gonna leave it sit in the in the room temperature for a little while longer. But let's go and see what we got here. Yeah. I don't think we're looking at anything very extraordinary at all here. But what the heck? We'll drink it anyways. Frig it. Oh, I used it. I didn't think that glass was going to be much. It looks more like a cider. I didn't get much. I didn't get no head out of it. I lost all the clarity. So there you go. I mean, it looks all right. There's what it looks like in the glass. Huh. Don't forget, I haven't done this in 2 years, so maybe I'm a little bit rusty. It looks nice. It looks nice, anyways. It looks all right. I don't expect high. I don't got high hopes on this, but what the heck, right? I didn't get no head on. I didn't get no head. No head. All right. Give it a sniff. Why does it always come out smelling like a apple cider? It smells more like a bit of an apple cider. It's apple. I don't know. Why is it? Can you explain to me why it smells a little apple-y? It probably tastes a little apple-y. But is that the Cooper's thing? I've heard somebody say that before anyways. I heard somebody say that a lot of Cooper's kits, or some of the Cooper's kits kind of have an apple-iness to them. Is that a word, apple-iness? I don't think it is. Well, it is tonight. Anyways, let's give it a taste. Cheers. I don't have much to say about it. It's definitely not a hit out of the park. Yeah, I gotta be honest. It didn't turn out very great. It's more on the mediocre to low side of how it turned out. But like I said, I wasn't expecting anything brilliant out of it. It's it's drinkable, I suppose. It's in the drinkable category. Keep it real cold and drink it. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened there. My first thought is probably way too much dextrose, for one thing. That's what I'm thinking. Because I think I put a whole kilogram of dextrose in, and I shouldn't have done that. Probably shouldn't have put the whole kilo. Probably maybe like half the kilo. I should have just put like half in. Alright, well. And I wish I'd have gotten more Cooper's carbonation drops, because I kind of like those things. I think they work well with these 450 ml Grolsch bottles. I think they work pretty well. Just one drop works well in them. Yeah, it's still got a bit of sweetness to it too. It's got a bit of sweetness. It doesn't have it doesn't have a bad aftertaste or anything. You can really tell. I can really tell that it's a home brew. It's a mediocre, at best, a mediocre home brew. So, oh well, I got 40 bottles of it to drink. So maybe it'll get a little better if I let it sit another week or two in the closet. Maybe, I don't know. It might not. It might get worse. I don't know. But that's okay. I'm not worried about it, and I'm not mad or I'm not upset or anything. It was a valiant effort. I can truly say that I did brew at least one extract can kit that turned out very nice. That's not much to say that only once I brew, but I think that can kits seem to be a little bit harder to nail it. It seemed to be a little bit harder to nail them. I think that partial grain. I've had more partial grains, and I've done a couple of all grains. Not very many, just half batch all grains, 2.5 gallons. And I've done a couple of those, but I think I've done a good handful or so of partial grains, and I think partial grains come out pretty nice. But anyways, well, there's what happened to my Cooper's Sparkling Ale kit. It was a nice try, but didn't turn out that great. But I'll drink it anyways. Well, cheers. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next brewing session eventually. I'd have to go back, get another partial grain or some kind of an all grain at this point and try my hands on that one again. So take care. See you later. Keep your mugs full.